All right. X squared equals 5x. Obviously, you would subtract the 5x, factorize your x out, and then x equals 0, and x equals 5. With e, you would multiply everything by 2, so you'll get 6x, take away bracket, 2x take away 5, equals 12. This becomes 6x take away 2x plus 5. And then the answer is 4x plus 5 is 12. 4x equals 12 take away 5, which is 7. X equals 7 over 4. Anyone have any questions? Times 2 times 2. This one you'll leave it. Expand. 6 take away 2 is 4, plus 5 equals 12, subtract, and then divide. Any questions? Simultaneous, 2 ways to do it. Maybe this time I will do it through substitution rather than elimination. So x equals 8 plus 2y. Then sub that into this. So 8 plus 2y plus y equals 1. And then just solve. So 16 plus 4y. 16 plus 4y plus y equals 1. That becomes 5y. 1 take away 16 is negative 15. Sub it back into the original. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 8 take away 6 is 2. X equals 2. Any questions about that one? Or anyone want me to check anything? No. Absolute values. We let x take away 1 equal to 3, or x take away 1 equal to negative 3. That means x equals to 4, or minus 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Then draw it on your number line. There's negative 2. There's 4. And then all you've got to do now is test. Test x equals 0, let's say a number in here. Sub it into the original. 0 take away 1 is negative 1. Absolute value of that is positive 1. Is 1 bigger than or equal to 3? 1 is not bigger than or equal to 3, so 0 does not work, which means they're running away. So there's your graph, and there's your answer that we're looking for if it was written algebraically. X is less than or equal to negative 2, and x is greater than or equal to 4. Any questions there? Anyone confused at any steps with that? Maybe here when we're testing. No? Well, let's look at it again. We'll do this one here. Again, x take away 3 equals 1. X take away 3 equals negative 1. X equals 4. X equals 2. There's your number line. Both closed circles because it's equal to. Test. I'm going to test x equals 0 again, which is somewhere here. Sub it into the original. 0 take away 3 is negative 3. Absolute value of that is 3. Is 3 smaller than or equal to 1? Is 3 smaller than 1? No. So again, 0 failed. If that failed, that means they're not running away. That means they're going to meet. So the answer is 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 4. 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. All right. Any questions out of these two now? With D, we cross multiply and have a common denominator, right? So the answer is just going to be 5 times 2, 10x minus 15 minus 2x minus, which is plus 2 on 10. 2 times x, 2 times negative 1, but there's a negative in front as well, so that should become positive 2. Final answer, 8x, take away 13 on 10. This one here, obviously it's a difference of 2 squares. Cross it out, the answer is n plus 5. This one, we make the bases the same. I think if you guys remember, 32 is 2 to the power of 5. And then of course, when the bases are the same, you just make the powers the same. 2x equals 4, x equals 2. And the last one, 8 take away 2 is 6. X is less than or equal to negative 2. All right, question time. Any questions? No?